What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ram 1500 remote key fob. This Ram 1500 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. First thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the key will pull out like that. I'll just set that key to the side. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver and take a look at the bottom of the key fob. This is the slot right here that key slid out of, and then below that you can see there's this kind of notch right here. And also for this part, I should mention, the wider the blade is on your screwdriver will actually make this a little bit easier. So I'm going to put my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it opens the case. I'll go ahead and pull the two halves apart. Then what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and just kind of gently come in here and pry this part up. And then this will pull out like that. And we can see our battery right here. So I'm going to do is grab this rubber piece like this, kind of fold it down just enough so I can slide this battery out of this holder. I'm gonna grab my screwdriver actually and help me just push that out gently like that. Remove the battery. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, and that'll just slide into that holder like that. Then we want to make sure that our circuit board is sitting down in this rubber piece. Then what I'm going to do is grab the back of the key fob like this and set the circuit board with the rubber piece in there. So it's sitting on there like that. Then I'm going to take this piece and push it down over it like that. And then the last thing I'm going to do is snap this front cover on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.